Vivo X Fold 5, the upcoming foldable phone, is inching closer to its official debut, and the company executive hand has shared new details about it. In a new post on Vivo, the Vivo product manager shared a close-up image of the internal screen of the Vivo X Fold 5. According to him, it'll have top-grade LTPO 8T panel on both its inner and outer display. It offers a smooth, adaptive refresh rate, providing fluid visuals for everything from scrolling to gaming. The phone is engineered with very high pixel density and resolution. One of the most striking upgrades is the 4500 nits local peak brightness, making the display readable even under harsh sunlight. You get this full brightness, high frequency PWM dimming, which works well in tandem with TÜV Rheinland's Global Eye Protection 3.0 certification. Both screens have been tuned with Zeiss Master Colors, promising accurate and rich color reproduction. The shared image also highlights a minor but significant design tweak, the inclusion of a new physical button on the left edge. This replaces the alert slider found in the previous X Fold 3 series. Although the exact function is unclear, it could be a programmable button or used for quick action. This will be the first IP5X and IPX9 rated foldable, and it is also revealed that this phone will survive up to minus 20 degrees Celsius also. The processor is going to be very disappointing, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 instead of the 8 Elite processor.